In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Airtable. By the end, you'll know how to bring teammates into your base and assign work to the right people using the built-in assignee field. Start by opening Airtable in your browser. If you're not already signed in, log in so you can access your workspace. From your home screen, click into the app or base where your tasks live. This is the space that contains your tables, views, and fields. Everything we'll use to manage assignments. Next, look to the top right corner and click Share. This is where you add collaborators who can be assigned to tasks. In the invite box, type the email address of the person you want to add. Take a second to double check the address so the invite goes to the right inbox and use their work email for consistency and permissions. Before sending the invite, choose the right level of access. Creator can modify structure, fields, and automations. Editor can add and edit records but not change base structure. Commenter can leave feedback without editing records. Read only can view but not change anything. Pick the least permissive level that still lets the person do their job, usually editor for someone actively working tasks, commenter for stakeholders who only review. Click Invite to send the collaboration request. They'll receive an email and may need to accept before they appear as an assignable option. If you're working in a shared workspace, this can happen quickly. If not, allow a moment for the invitation to process. With collaborators invited, return to your table and locate the assignee field. This field is typically set up as a collaborator field and is where each task's owner is tracked. To assign a task, click into the assignee cell for the task you want to update. A drop-down will appear with your invited collaborators. Select the person responsible. You can search by name to move faster, and if you don't see someone you expect, confirm they were invited and have at least read-only access to the base. For editing tasks, editor access is recommended. Repeat this for each task you want to assign. As you assign, consider keeping task names clear and due dates up to date so your assignees have full context. If your workflow allows multiple assignees, you'll see that option in the same dropdown. Otherwise, it will enforce a single owner, which is great for clarity. That's it. Open the base, share it with the right people, and choose them in the assignee field to hand off work confidently and transparently.